2020 Palisade. The Hyundai Palisade includes loads of interior room, third-row seating, and a stylish exterior. Throw in all the additional technology features and your family will be thrilled to ride around in style, and is priced below $50,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, ventilated front seats, rain sensing wipers. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.